those men and women out there. Today, I want to take you back to the beginning of my adventure as an entrepreneur. At the time when I was feeling just like a legit boss in the e commerce sector. It's been an incredible ride for me, and I'm excited to share this particular story with you today. My name is Toyin Ibironke. I am Savvy Amazon seller. It was 10 years ago, and I had just started my e-commerce business, and I was so excited. I was so happy that I could start an online business. And it was an unknown path for me, but I was filled with passion. I was determined. And I knew that I had this burning desire to make a mark in the industry. So what I did was I was ready for it. And then the first time I felt like a boss was when I received my first online order. I remember staring at my computer screen, and I saw the notification pop up, and the feeling was so incredible. I was so happy because I felt I have accomplished a goal. It was a realization that someone out there believed in my products enough to invest their unearned money into it. So I was super elated, I was excited. As an entrepreneur, success does not happen overnight. I really want to tell you this. It's a journey filled with challenges, setbacks, and a lot of hard work. So I want to ask you, my fellow viewers, what were some of the challenges you faced when you started your own business, especially in the e-commerce industry? What were those challenges? Exactly. Those challenges are what shaped us, make us stronger, and encouraged us. For me, it was a learning process. I had to learn digital marketing. I had to learn how to master inventory. I had to learn management. I had to build a trustworthy brand. Every obstacle I encountered became an opportunity for me to grow. It became a learning curve for me. It became a learning process, and I love the process. Apart from that, I decided that I am going to also grow by helping other people. So as I began to expand my business, I expanded my team. I surrounded myself with talented people. I surrounded myself with those who can share my vision and were equally passionate about what I am doing, especially our products out there. And they were ready to give customers satisfaction. So building that team and seeing their dedication was something that I was excited about. It was another moment for me that I felt like a true legit boss. Okay, so we started creating, and we gave opportunities for others to grow by working with me. As my business begins to move from stage one to B, I realized that being a boss is not just about my personal success or what I can do, but it's all about creating opportunities for those that don't know. So I created that opportunity, and I was able to provide employment and source of support for my team members. It was an incredible journey. It was so fulfilling. I was excited about it. I had a lot of satisfaction. So, my question today is this: what does being a boss means to you? Is it about personal success? Is it about creating job opportunities for people? Or is it about making an impact on the world? The question you can answer. So, whatever your answer, it makes different meanings to different people. And that's what makes us as entrepreneurs. That is what makes it so exciting. because it allows us to define success on our own terms. It also gives us the opportunity to create a business that aligns with our passion and our values. So if you have a value, you should be able to create a business around it. So keep in mind, my dear entrepreneurs, that feeling like a legit boss for the first time is only the beginning of that great adventure you've always wanted to be. You have to accept the challenge. You have to rejoice in your wins and never stop learning. Never stop improving your skills. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you really enjoyed this video, I want you to do what? Click the notification bell for more entrepreneurial content, and also subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to watch the next video.